Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Hi! So I'm back again guys, another reaction video to the group JO1. And if anyone knows, when I started my channel, JO1 was also one of the first group recommended me to react to, and I speak to some of their fans. I really do like this group. I love her consistency with their music video. Everything for me. I like all of them. So this is JO1 Icarus performance video. Oh, the beat. Come on, get information, dudes. Oh, he's very fluid with his movements. Yes. I like a butterfly. Okay. Oh, that was nice. Yeah. Oh, I like his voice. Okay. 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 Hey. Ooh, I like those shoes. I want one. This is a nice performance video. This is nice. Oh, okay. Bye. Bye. Butterfly, fly. This is a very cute music video. Nothing, not music video, performance video. Nothing I cannot expect from JO1. They're gonna give me what I need. This is so cute. I love all of them. How many groups? How much? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think I see 11 people in this group. They all look so good. Overseas. I love my overseas. So for everybody else, what if you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Hey.